Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to make a resume using Google Docs. So without any delay, let's get started. First, go to your Google Drive and click the New button in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Google Docs and then click from a template. Here, you will see 5 different resume templates to choose from. Pick the one you like and click on it to open. Simply fill in your information. And once you are done, rename the document by clicking the name in the top left corner. You can download the document if needed or keep it saved in your drive. And that's it. Creating a resume with Google Docs is that easy. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel for more tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.